Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back with the Whirlpool Ultimate Care 2 commercial quality super capacity plus washing machine. This particular model is LSW9750PW3. I believe that's the model number. If I'm wrong, the correct model number will be in the title of the video and the description. So I believe it's LSW9750PW3. So we're back with this washing machine and doing some laundry, and it's just doing a good job. As you can see, it's doing a very good job. So this machine before, when I got it, was leaking. This machine was leaking water all over the place. I'll post, if I didn't post a video about it, I'll post a video about it. I don't think I have though. But if I haven't, I'll post a video of the machine leaking before I post this video. Yeah, this is the Whirlpool Ultimate Care 2 washing machine all fixed. This machine is, excuse me, this washing machine is fixed. It's going to my aunt. Because she wants it. So yeah, this machine will be going to her. This machine, it leaked water all over the floor, and that explains why the previous owners, this is why they threw this machine away, because it leaked. The tub had a crack, and it had two cracks in it actually. It had one, if you get an idea, there was one in this corner, there was one on this side, and one right here. Oh, it's going to go in the drain here. Just gave you guys a drain action. Yeah, there it is draining. Let me go back to what I was talking about, the cracked tub. So there was a crack in the tub here and a crack in the tub here. So there was one on this side and one on that side. So there was two spots where this tub was cracked, and I managed to fix it. put some epoxy, a bunch of epoxy. Like I put like 2 or 3 tubes of epoxy. Cause it was leaking pretty bad. I'll post the video, a short clip of what I took. But yeah, this machine was leaking a lot. But I fixed it, and this machine works good now. So I'll keep recording and go into the spin. See, it's still draining. Love that drain pump sound. And there we go. There's a spin. Shake to it, and there ought to be a spray rinse coming up real shortly. But anyways, there's the spin. Works fine. Works great. This thing came undone. There it goes. It spins up again. Yes, I have the lid switch cheated. I cheated the lid switch. Yeah, just whenever I push that back down, it just sneaks back on. There we go. You got your load size, wash temperature with cold rinses, cycle signal, and extra rinse. This machine has a cycle signal to where there's a buzz at the end, and extra rinse. So, you know what? I'll turn this. I'll stay until it ends. Until it ends the cycle. We'll make this a little more special video because it's a Whirlpool Direct Drive. So we'll make it a little bit of a more special video. So the cycle signal. I'm gonna turn this on so you guys can hear it. Because all it is just a buzz. That's all it is. Extra rinse, we're gonna leave that off, you know? But I turn this on so you can hear it. As you can see, it's spinning like it should.